So this is Adrian. I'm down at the Trinity Park and Recreation, specifically Trammell Crow Lake. It's really pretty out here. Daisy and I are here. She's chilling. She just had a big old bowl of food. But um, this is just one of my first videos that I'm posting on YouTube. Um, but I recently became homeless about a year ago, and at this moment I'm trying to find some solace and talk with my higher power and just basically kind of zone in on what it is that I've been doing wrong, or what hasn't been working for me rather, and try to reset so I can regain some kind of momentum to push my life forward. But anyway, it's just really gorgeous out here, and I recommend anyone who lives in Dallas to come here at least for just a moment. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Come on, Daisy. Let's go. So basically, what I was trying to say was to just center myself and figure out what it is that I need to do, because living in my car is not working. It's not working at all. So if anyone has any ideas, I'm happy to hear them. So I'm staying in my car with my dog. I can't acquire employment because I have her. I don't want to get rid of her because she was my baby. It's an ongoing Groundhog Day that I live every single day. It's getting old. It's gotten old. I'm so over it. It's unreal. I mean, I've acquired work from home positions, and I can't even work them because I don't have a home. I'm on a waiting list. I was called to get an apartment. My number was called, and then I realized somebody had stolen all of my paperwork. So I had to reorder all that. And I'm back, at square one basically. And it's been since COVID began. But I try to remain optimistic and positive, and to remove any negativity from my life that I possibly can. But it still remains. I'm homeless, and it's difficult. I had a home, beautiful home, but I'll go into that another time. But there's my car, all beat up, but it's mine. Well, kind of mine. I still owe $10,000 on it. But homelessness is no joke. The things you see, all the emotions and things you go through. It's not an easy road. This is not something I chose either. But I'm gonna have to sign off. I have 5% battery. But until next time, live an intentional day. Be intentional and love each other.